Hello, everyone. Let's talk about feelings. How are you feeling? I am feeling a little bit worried. You see, I've been looking at your homeworks and your quizzes, and I'm detecting the usage of online calculators. I'm detecting some collaboration, and it's making me a bit worried about how the midterm's going to go. If you did quiz number 1 without any external aid, then you can stop watching this video right now. Okay, so maybe you've been getting some external help on your homework. That's actually okay. The first time through, it's good to get a bit of help, but then you must do it alone at some point. But the first time through, external aid, that's fine. Can definitely be part of the process, for sure. How about quizzes? Okay, external aid on quizzes, that's a bigger problem. Okay, obviously for reasons of fairness, but I think more importantly, a nice mark on a quiz that you didn't really do on your own. It's going to feel good in some way, but it's going to give you an inflated idea of how well you understand the material. Because you see an online calculator, for example, that's like a crutch. And that crutch is going to be rather brutally kicked out from under you when you sit down to write your midterm. Now, perhaps you did this in Cal 1 and things worked out okay. Unfortunately, Cal 2 is different. Okay, Cal 1, it's a set of rules, you apply them, there's something very simple about it. Okay, Cal 2, sorting out different integrals is it's a very different thing. Okay, you need to sit down and practice at some point alone, and you need to think your way carefully through these integrals. Now, one more thing about the midterm is that it's worth 12.5 times as much as any quiz, and it's worth at least 50 times more than any homework. Okay, so again, a nice grade on, say, a quiz feels good, but it's a very short-term good feeling. Okay, enough doom and gloom. Let's finish with 3 positive points. First positive point is that I'm here, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions over the reading week. So fire me a Teams chat message, and I will respond quickly. I'll make it a point, of course, to be attentive. Second point is that the midterm will be fair. Okay, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be brutally hard. Okay, this message I'm sending is not about some brutal midterm that's in your future. If you prepare, you will not find too many surprises on the midterm. Okay, third point is that I'm sending an unpleasant message, but I'm sending it relatively early. Okay, you still have time to change course if you have been working dishonestly. And you can still do very well in your midterm. Okay, what I recommend is that you have your list of homework problems in front of you and you work your way through them. You only cross something off of your list if you have done it alone and in like a simulated exam situation. Okay, so you have to be very honest with yourself. And it's a tough program, but I find it really helps with the anxiety on exam day. My personal experience is that I would sit down for my exam, I'd be feeling lots of nerves, but the preparation just kind of has a way of overcoming the anxiety. Okay, that's all I wanted to say for now, and I hope to hear from you soon. As I said, I'll be here to answer your questions. Bye-bye.